Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to another video. So I have a wash day for you guys. Obviously, as you can tell, it is way past due for wash day, and baby, Fred needs all of the works today. So I'm just gonna start off by gently separating and detangling my hair. I'm going in with my handy dandy Olaplex 0 and number 3 to begin with. I've gotten a few questions as to if I use the number 0 on damp or dry hair, and honestly, it depends on how I'm feeling that day. If I'm doing this after my hair has been in a wash and go, I'm more likely to at least rinse my hair off before going in with number 0. But today, I obviously chose to go in on dry hair as directed. Now, what I like about using it on dry hair is I can feel exactly how much of the number 0 I've applied to my hair, and I can make sure that I'm really getting my ends. And y'all, can we all just say thank you to Olaplex for changing this to a spray nozzle? It's way more effective in my opinion, and I'm not like spraying my shirt as much. So per usual, I left the number 0 on for 10-15 minutes, and then I followed up with the number 3. Also, another question that I've gotten is number 0 necessary? And the honest answer for me is I don't know. So I started using the Olaplex 3 and 0 at the same time because I had heat damage, and I've only used the combination. I've never used number 3 by itself. And now that my hair is colored and I just want to feel like that I'm protecting my hair as best as I can, so I'm going to continue using the 0 and the 3. So if you've used both of them and you have experience like with using 3 without 0, comment down below and let me know if you feel like it's necessary to use both. But here in my house, as my good girl Sheree says, I'm going to use the number 0 and the number 3. Okay, so listen, elephant in the room. If you see my mouth moving or I'm making gestures, I'm having a full-blown Jazmine Sullivan concert during wash day. Don't judge me. But so after I let the 0 and 3 sit for 20-25 minutes per usual, I wanted to go in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Moisturizing Shampoo. Is it moisturizing? I don't know. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, here it is. Because I'm blowing my hair out, I was like, oh yeah, I need a little strength and a little moisture because this is like a cleansing mask. Y'all, thank goodness I had that rice amino shea curl wash. I'm missing a name or something from a previous wash day still in my shower, because the super moisture shampoo isn't really that moisturizing. It's really a cleansing mask and it's supposed to also strengthen your hair. And it was just a no-go for Fred. It was way too much. So using a co-wash as a second cleanse put a little moisture back in my hair before I went in with this new rice amino protein mask. I know that's not the government name. It'll be in the description box, but sneak peek, this is my first time trying out this mask. I will do a dedicated video on it because I love all things Briogeo. So I'm trying to sort of kind of detangle my hair with this mask, but really I'm just trying to make sure my ends are good. So I applied it all over and I let that sit for 10-15 maybe 30 minutes. I'm not really sure. And that's not where the conditioning stops, okay? After I used that mask, I went in with the Superfoods Mega Moisture Avocado Mask. Y'all, I should have these products in front of me, but like I said, they're in the description box. And you know, I love this mask. It definitely puts the moisture back in my hair, and so I'm trying to apply water and product to detangle my hair even further because, you know, I'm blowing my hair out. And y'all, my hair is so tangled, like it's matted still, and I have to pull out my clippers, well, not clippers, but my shears, and actually like search and destroy and cut out like single strand knots and tangles that I have in my hair, because I don't want to like fully detangle my hair because I'm trying to be more gentle because it's colored, but I also need these tangles out because I'm about to blow my hair out with the tension method. So that was a little frustrating, but you know, we got through it. So honestly, y'all, just like that little SpongeBob gif, a few hours later, my hair is fully detangled. It literally took 30 to 45 minutes just to detangle my hair with my fingers and let my conditioner sit for another 10 to 15, literally an all-day wash day. I am going in with the Adwoa Beauty 𝙿𝚛𝚘𝚍𝚞𝚒 leave-in conditioner, and I am applying a little bit to the small sections. I have my hair in 6 different sections, and so I'm like literally taking each leg, I'm applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm using my wide tooth pattern comb. I don't want to use a brush because it's a little too rough on my hair, but I want to make sure it's detangled, right? And I'm even going to take a little bit of the 𝙿𝚛𝚎𝚎 serum. I'll let you guys see more of this process in a moment. And I'm using the bigger nozzle on my Dyson Supersonic, and I'm just doing the tension method. I don't think I have a video on my channel where I'm showing the tension method. So real quick, we are pulling our hair, making it taut, applying the tension, and I have the heat. I believe I have it on, I have the air all the way up on 3, and I have the heat on 3 as well. And I'm just doing that on my hair. So the reason I went in with the 𝙿𝚛𝚎𝚎 for this was because it's a thermal heat protectant up to 375 degrees. And because I wasn't applying quote unquote direct heat to my hair, but I'm trying to protect my strands, I wanted to go in with this leave-in and this serum particularly to, you know, protect my hair. And y'all, look at that. My hair looks almost as straight as if I had like a comb or was like going through with my brush. Like the tension method worked great. What you'll see me do is I will use my wide tooth comb again to really make sure I'm getting the ends of my hair, because I'm holding the ends while I'm doing the tension method, but I want to also make sure they are somewhat straight because I ended up doing the perm set. So I had to go back in with the comb in order to hit those ends and to make sure that my hair was, you know, detangled, because I had only finger detangled up until that point. So yeah, I will let you guys see this process. Also, real quick, do y'all still want a review, like my thoughts on the 𝙿𝚛𝚎𝚎 line? I just kind of felt like I let too much time pass before I did a full review, but if you want to hear how I felt about that line, definitely let me know out in the comments, and I will get that to you guys as soon as possible. That's really it, you guys. I'm just going through and smoothing Fred out at this point, but this is what I did my wash day and the tension method in order to get my hair not, you know, straight, not bone straight, but straight enough to get the amazing perm set that I just showed you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I think I've already said it, but check the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys in the next one.